Hey, I got some, guess what? Small magnets. So let's see how small they are. They are from VSKIZ. Small magnets supposed to be 4 by 2 millimeter, I think. Um, and there we go. So yes, tiny. So when it says small magnets, they mean small magnets. And so I just drew a lot up. There it is. 3D printing projects, including, just things that um, you want to get stuck on other sort of stuff, and these are smaller than what I usually use, but can be handy for just embedding into a print and then giving it that magnet backing. So obviously either not going to be a real big thick item for this or have several of these in something, but it's obviously a lot of them, and who knows, maybe they'll just be toys and part of my science lessons and things like that with magnets. But um, so they seem to have a little bit of grab to them. So as described, they're about 4 by 2 millimeter, so they are very, very, very small. Not sure what on this is even magnetic, but um, so a good bit of grab to them, and they especially if you get a bunch of them together, are quite attracted to one another there. So I will certainly use these in a few different places, and possibly just sticking some, whoops, maybe a little, some sort of decorative thing to hold stuff on the refrigerator or other metal type objects. But there we go. Hey, make interesting little figures out of them. So hope that helps you out. Have a great day. Take care.